called it an emergency meeting. Well, it's not actually an emergency meeting. It's actually a good thing this time. Basically, I just wanted to say I really am grateful. I'm thankful to you, man, because yesterday your boy got some bread from YouTube, you know? And when that hit my account, I felt super grateful because, bro, you guys are literally watching my videos and I'm getting paid for it. Like, you know how dope that is? And then I sent some money over to my family in Pakistan because, you know, it's only me and my dad, mom, and sister here. Everyone else is back home, you know, we left them all back home. So when I got that paycheck from YouTube, I sent a portion of that back home, you know, to help them out. Bro, it felt really amazing, man. Like, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you. I'm super grateful that you guys literally watch my videos and I'm able to help my family back home by making YouTube videos. Bro, it's such a blessing. What the frick, all these birds? Yo. No, don't scare them, don't scare them. Yo, what the frick? What? Yo, what? Bro, why there's so many birds here? What the fuck? Wait, let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Okay. Whoops. Just allow it. I'm gonna search for a guest tab just in case YouTube looks at this video and is like, yo, ban his ass. Australian dollar to Pakistani. Basically, let's just say I sent $100 from Australia. Look how much that is in Pakistani money. That's almost 20,000 rupees. Bro, you can get so much in 20,000 rupees. Bills on average in Pakistan are like 5,000 a month. I'm sending my family 18 to 20,000, let's just say. You know how insane that is? Wait, I don't know how much the bills are in Pakistan. I don't even know anymore. It was around like 5 to 10,000 back when I was a kid. So I don't even know, to be honest. But that's insane, man. Look how much I can help them. And that's just $100. Imagine if I was sending them like $1,000. Bro, they're gonna be in a mansion. They're gonna live better than I do here. But yeah, I just wanted to say I'm genuinely super grateful that because of you watching my videos, I'm able to help my family back home. I've got my grandmother and stuff and I send her money, and it's such a beautiful thing, man, because she's getting money from her grandson. Like, that's such a dope thing. So I just wanted to come on here and say genuinely from the bottom of my heart, if you watch my videos, thank you. I hope I'm able to entertain you enough that you stick around for a while, you know? This is getting kind of emotional, man. Should we make out? Speaking about videos, I'm actually editing the next Looks Maxing Discord video. So if you enjoyed the first part of the Looks Maxing Discord video, it got like 100 and something K views. Bro, you're gonna enjoy the second part because I'm editing it. I'm gonna finish this hopefully by tonight, maybe tomorrow. So if you enjoyed the first part, this second part is gonna be lit, bro. Trust. I just ate some food, right? Yo, you want to go play some basketball or something? The sun's not down yet. Let's go play some basketball. Let's do it. Alright, let's go. We put some bird seeds here. I didn't actually expect birds to show up, bro. Look how many birds there are. Why are they all black? Of course they're black, bro. They'd be the ones that steal the seeds. I'm black too. I can say it. Okay, relax. Come on, little man. Alright, put this in the sink. Can't even see my hand. It literally disappears. Alright, bro. I got zapped. Ow. I'm gonna change my shirt just in case, you know, the huzz walks past. Can't miss an opportunity. Having the time of your life. Ooh, you see that girl? I can't see shit. What's that scene? The dancing queen. Okay, I'm about to cause an accident, bro. The way I'm driving, I'm driving like I'm in Fast and Furious, bro. Slow and curious, dog. My ass driving like I got multiple respawns, bro. I had the last walls with you. Two lonely people together.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
I fell in love with you. The last one. What the mosquito in here? Bro, just look at this place. I'm literally come to the edge of the map, bro. Like, I freaking love this park. I'm finna just start shooting hoops. Like, no one knows about this place. It's so sick. It's a bit of a drive, but look at it, bro. Oh, idiot. Had one job. Oh. Bro, I haven't played basketball in so long. Whoa. Oh. What? You trying to play too? I catch. And that's my phone gone.
Plug. Plug. I'm so bad. Plug. Plug. Plug.
As you can tell, I'm not very good at black people sport, but this is gonna go in. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I'm not the most athletic. I'm surprised God even blessed me with 2 arms and legs, because I'm ass at basically every sport. Bro, look at this. This is such a beauty, man. Bro, I'm so blessed, bro. Get to come and just play some basketball. Look at that. What a beautiful evening, man. You just gotta step back some days and just like take a break, you know? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, genuinely, you're helping me so much with the money I make from making YouTube videos. And the amount of character I've built for myself. Like, I know so much about myself just by making YouTube videos. There's so many things that YouTube has taught me, and I just want to say thank you. Smash like, first of all. And hopefully by the end of this year, bro, we hit 100k subs, because that's one of my dreams. So hopefully by the end of this year, we hit 100k subs. If you like the videos, bro, tell one of your friends, you know, tell your friends about them and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go play some more basketball and then probably gonna head home. But thank you once again. God bless everyone, and I'll see you soon in the looks maxing video, which is gonna come out hopefully tomorrow. So I'll see you then, man. Bye bye. Ow, my finger.